Good morning, Romnick. Should I start your day?
Alexa, start my day.
It's 5:52 a.m. Today is Tuesday, January 21st.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 6:23 a.m.
Alexa, how's the traffic to work?
At the moment, traffic to work looks pretty clear. The fastest route takes about 42 minutes via CA 87 and US 101.
Bye.
Alexa, light off. Alexa, stop.
Enter that input box is at 12:01.
Alright guys, finally home and done for the day. So that's how I made $449 on an easy day. $449 minus taxes and other expenses. But it's alright. It was an easy day for me since I like what I do anyways. And by the way, the purpose of this video is to make you realize that everything is possible, anything is possible. Some people may make more than you are, but you can get to that level. You can make the same. You might just have to work a little harder, but everything is possible. You just have to do something about it. If you don't do something about it, nothing's gonna happen. And I really need to go to sleep now, guys. I'm really sleepy now. Goodbye, and thank you for watching. All right.